Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name's Shane. And today's video we're going to be doing a little maintenance on this thing before we can clean it up. Doing the plowing and disking on this thing has made it quite dirty. Wow, this thing is, it's nasty up in here. But before we get this thing pressure washed and cleaned up, I've got to make sure that that's not going to cause me a problem. You can see the boots, these rubber boots on the gear shift have they're no longer protecting as they once were from water ingress. So we're going to take a moment to replace those boots before we get this thing all pressure washed and cleaned up. I think that this boot just slips over this metal part right here and kind of captures it in place. What's the best way to get this out of there? Oh, look at that. So as you can see, we've kind of got it started. All right, I think it's pretty much out around this lip there. Now let's see if we can get this off. It is slightly chilly out here today, so it may take me a minute. There's the old boot. And there's the piece that broke off of the old boot. All right, I've got this one freed up now, and I'm sitting on the tractor to make it easier to take it off. And it's off. No problem. I've got the replacements. I've got one of them, the other one inside. It's still warm inside. It's kind of chilly out here today, so I'm going to keep it warm. But I got these, I think I got these from David Brown Parts. I ordered them months ago. And they've just been sitting around waiting. Anyway, the part number is K917375. And they should be a perfect fit. We'll see though. So we have the new boots. But from what I can understand, they just slip over. Been inside where it's warm too, so we just slip it over and then we figure out how to get it around the boot thing there. This may be a little bit more difficult than I planned for. All right, after much aggravation, I finally got smart. I got it on there. And it was super easy. Once I figured out what the heck to do. Got to soften the rubber a little bit. Let's get that out of the way. Let's go get it in the water. Leave it there for a few minutes. Let it get real soft. We don't need to leave it in there very long. Just long enough for it to get soft. Let's fish it out. Now it's soft. I have on some cotton gloves underneath my gloves here so I can handle it. It's pretty cool. Now, what I'm going to do is turn it inside out up to about, I'm going to take this bottom part and turn it inside out. Just like that. Let's try this one on the tractor. It slips over super easy. It's around it. Now we just got to get it situated. This is easier to do when you remove the gear shift. You can kind of see better, but I think it just popped into place. Yeah, you don't have to take the gear shift off, but I had to figure it out. I didn't really. But now I've got to make a gasket to go on here because the gasket broke when I was taking it off. So I'll get a gasket made and reattach this and we'll be done. Now it's done. Yay. I think those will protect me from getting water down in the hydraulic oil. Don't you think? Yeah. Well, I have learned how to replace the rubber boots on the gear shifter. You boil them. Learn something new every day. I just wanted to show you guys replacing the boots. It was a little bit of an adventure, and I learned something. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.